Now, Channel 3 early morning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
Well, this evening, if you're getting the kids set to step out the door in the morning to school, you'll want to probably plan on giving them an umbrella and a jacket because it's going to be wet and cool. And that is going to be with us pretty much all day long tomorrow. So here is early warning pinpoint Doppler. You can see that despite the cloud cover, we are scanning the state dry. That's the way it's going to stay all evening long. It's not until very late tonight when the rain is going to move in. But we do have the clouds. Occasionally, we did see a little sunshine today, but the clouds won out, keeping the air very cool, along with that northeasterly breeze. So Torrington was cloudy. It's mostly cloudy over Middletown, but we are seeing a few breaks in the clouds in New London. However, the clouds are going to really fill in as we go through the next couple of hours, and temperatures are very much on the cool side. We range anywhere from the low 50s to the low 60s. Bridgeport is a warm spot at 63. Hartford is 58. In northeastern Connecticut, Putnam is 55. And we got that cool east to northeasterly wind that's as high as 16 miles an hour in Bridgeport and Windsor Locks. At Bradley International, we have a wind that's averaging 10 miles an hour. So a jacket would come in very handy if you're taking a walk this evening. And of course, we have the clouds in place right now. The rain is still off to our south. Now, we are watching a storm system and a warm front that will be heading our way tomorrow as high pressure shifts into the Canadian Maritimes. And the other thing that we're watching is this area of clouds off the southeast coast, kind of midway between the Carolinas and Bermuda. That's a tropical system, and some of that moisture could get pulled northward and enhance the heavy rain threat here in Connecticut on Wednesday, but there's also a chance that a lot of that tropical moisture could pass by to the east of New England, so something to watch over the coming days. But in the meantime, dry this evening. It's later on tonight as we get into the morning commute time and we have the rain filling in. So basically it's going to start somewhere between 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning and fill into northeastern Connecticut between 7 and 8 and 9 o'clock in the morning. Then we'll have periods of rain throughout the day, heavy at times. There you see Futurecast showing some heavy rain in northeastern Connecticut tomorrow evening. That will taper down to some scattered showers tomorrow night. And Wednesday morning, we're in the warm, humid air. It's going to feel like summer again on Wednesday. In the morning, there could be a couple of showers and thunderstorms in the state. And then as we go into the evening hours, a cold front moves in with showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be strong to potentially severe. And the Storm Prediction Center has placed pretty much all of Connecticut in a slight risk area for damaging winds. A possibility. As far as rainfall goes, between tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening, 1 to 3 inches in parts of the state. A lot of locations getting an inch or two, but there could be some localized amounts up to 3 inches. We're not expecting a lot of flash flooding, but there could be some nuisance flooding in those poor drainage areas. So tonight, we're going to see lows in the upper 40s and the low and mid 50s, with the coolest readings in the north and the warmest readings along the I-95 corridor, and your highs for tomorrow in the 60s. But you know what? Even around lunchtime tomorrow with the clouds and the rain, parts of the state are still going to be in the 50s, so these highs may come later in the day. Here's your 7-day forecast. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, warm and humid, a high of 82, a threat of a shower or storm in the morning, then again Wednesday evening. Then Thursday and Friday look good. Partly sunny, lows dropping to near 50 and highs in the low 70s. And right now the weekend looks good, 72 on Saturday and then cooling off Sunday and Monday, with the temperatures falling back into the 60s for highs, and for the shoreline tomorrow, a late day high of 69.